music. Before we actually hear you guys, let's figure out who's in the studio today. Let's go right down the line. Say your first name. Say what you do in the band. Patrick, we'll start with you, man. What's going on with you?
Hey, I'm Pat, and I play acoustic guitar and lead vocals and percussion and sometimes other things.
And you record and produce
and
write.
You did that well, so that was
I
great.
tried.
Yeah.
Nice.
Good
So
job.
for those who know nothing about the band, if they were to approach you on the street and say, what are you guys all about? What kind of an answer would you provide for something like that?
It all started in my basement, actually, last winter. I was feeling kind of down, and we kind of had a makeshift studio set up. I had a few mics, like Pro Tools 7 and a 15-year-old Mac, and I had like probably over 50 songs that I'd been writing over a 5-year period when I started learning guitar, and I kind of just took that time of loneliness or whatever to start writing. So that project kind of became 12 songs, and then I called it Birds of the Northeast. And,
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, just to make sure, is it the Birds of the Northeast or
Just Birds of the Northeast?
Birds of the
Yep.
Northeast? Okay, all right.
My dad ran his own mixing and mastering studio for a while, and when I was like really young, I would often like fall asleep listening to him playing drums or working on a mixing project or something he was mastering as well. So that definitely had an impact on me. And then I didn't really start playing anything until I was about 10, when I started playing drums in his footsteps, kind of. And then at 15, I broke my leg right about when summer started. And that kind of was a huge bummer because I couldn't play drums. So instead of playing drums, I picked up my dad's acoustic guitar and I started trying to work my way through that and play it, because as a drummer you need your right foot, which was what I broke. I started playing that, and he taught me a bit about what a G chord is and a C chord and a B chord, and I kind of kept going with that. And that was kind of when songwriting and music really as a whole kind of rooted itself in me, because from that point on I could understand rhythmically what things were doing, but also melodically, and how to write lyrics and things like that. So it all kind of came together. What I was going through at the time, musically, whenever you're writing, it rubs off. Whatever you're going through at the time, it translates to the music. So for me, dealing with like issues like loneliness and anxiety and depression and things like that kind of like translated into the music and gave the music kind of a new flavor, if you will. Definitely captured who I was at the time and what I was feeling at the time, even though a lot of the songs were written, at least the bass structure of the song was written a few years ago.
Coming down, my memories, I don't want them, just take them please. Coming down, my memories, I don't want them, just take them please. Things inside me.
I think it helps people in the most simplistic way you could answer it. I think it can ease suffering, definitely, and increase joy. And that's kind of what I use it for. I use it almost as like medication. Increasing your mental and emotional health is something that music can do for people. that's so huge, I think, and inspiring people too at the same time to do things that they wouldn't, like write an album when really they have a microphone and a 15-year-old computer.